Substances can be classified into three types: elements, compounds, and mixtures. So, first of all, we're going to talk about elements. Now, a substance made up of atoms that all contain the same number of protons and cannot be split into anything further. So, helium and oxygen molecules cannot be split into anything simpler. Now, there is a limited number of elements, and all elements are found in the periodic table. So, compound is a pure substance made up of two or more elements chemically combined. So, hydrogen and oxygen are chemically combined. Now, there is an unlimited number of compounds. Compounds cannot be separated into their elements by physical means. Then we have mixtures. So, mixture is a combination of two or more substances that are not chemically combined. So, we have substance 1, we have substance 2, and as you can see that they are not chemically combined. So, mixtures can be separated by their physical methods such as filtration or evaporation.